Hello guys, welcome to Education Mark. In this video, we'll talk about Capgemini syllabus for 2021. We'll going to discuss complete procedure of Capgemini cutoff. Is there any sectional cutoff or not? If is there, then we will see the what is the cutoff for every section, and is there any negative marking or not? And topic which you should prepare for Capgemini 2021. We will discuss all of these things in this video. So something is not covered in this slide, so I will share with my own, or you can say verbally. So let's start the video. Let's take a quick recap of eligibility criteria. So BTech, ME, MTech from branches of CE, and all the branches are almost eligible for this. BSc, BCA, BCom, BA degree is eligible, and after that eligible stream, every stream is eligible, and percentage criteria is 60%, and backlog, there is one backlog is allowed, and you have to cover before the defined period, and more than 2 year education gap is not allowed. And after that selection procedure, so there are 3 rounds you have to face. First round is online written test, second is technical, and third one is HR interview. Talk out of first, then in first online written test you have to face 4 sections: pseudocode, English communication test, aptitude test, and last one is behavioral competency profiling. So let's see one by one. So first one is pseudocode. So there will be 16 question from C, 4 question from C++, and 10 question from DSA, and topics of DSA is like array, time complexity, trees, linked list, queue, stack, graph, hashing, and in from C there is normal questions based on input output, and based on OOPS. And after that second one is English communication test, and there will be 30 question, and time limit will be also 30 minutes, and difficulty level is moderate. These are the topics which you should cover if you are going for Capgemini. Sentence correction, prepositions, grammar, you can take the screenshot of all of these topics. After that third section is aptitude test, game based test. So there are 6 type of game based question in Capgemini normally ask. First one is deductive logical thinking, inductive logical thinking, grid challenge, motion challenge, switch challenge, digit challenge, and for all of these challenges you will get 6 minutes per question. And after that behavioral competency profiling, then there are 100 question. It can be vary according to Capgemini, but there will be 20 minutes for this. And topic normally is talk style, adaptation style, teamwork style, emotional style. So people normally not take serious to this section, so be serious also for this section. After that this is the overall summary of complete syllabus. You can take the screenshot of this one. There will be 160 question and 4 games, and time will be 100 to 104 minutes. Now let's talk about the cutoff. So for pseudocode there will be 15 questions is cutoff, and 20 minutes is time limit, and 20 questions. And for English communication test there will be 24 questions cutoff out of 30 questions, and time limit will be 30 minutes. And after that third one is game. So there will be 4 questions, and cutoff is also 4, and time limit is 24 minutes. There is no negative marking system in Capgemini, so you can attempt all the questions. Best of luck guys, you all are from Education Mark side. So thank you guys, I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you feel that really this video is beneficial for you, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, so you can get more update like this type of videos. Thank you.